Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to mark as unread in WhatsApp. If you want to mark a message as unread in WhatsApp, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your smartphone and log in. Once you're inside the chat page of WhatsApp, go ahead and press and hold through the conversation, and in the pop-up, click on Mark as Unread. Soon after you do that, a green dot will appear right next to the chat, just like a new message notification. This does not actually unread the message for the sender, it only helps you remember to reply. And that's it. Whether you are keeping up with group chats or trying to stay on top of important conversations, marking a message as unread can be a game changer. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.